Guys, welcome back to Nivas Vibes. Whether you're trying to stay organized or study smarter, or you wanted to manage your time better, then I got you covered. Today, I'm sharing 5 apps that each and every college student needs to level up their student's life. Trust me, these apps will make a huge difference in your productivity, in your focus, and even in your to manage your time. So let's get right into it. First on list is Notion.
With Notion Calendar, you finally have a calendar app that marries your schedule with the rest of your work in Notion. View all your professional and personal commitments in one place.
If you're struggling to stay organized, then this app is a lifesaver. It's like a digital notebook where you can plan your schedule, you can manage your projects, and even you can write notes. What's cool is that you can customize it any way you want it. Whether you're organizing your semester or creating a study planner or even tracking assignments, Notion does it all. Plus, it's free, so no excuses. Next up is Forest. If you're like me and gets easily distracted by your phone while you're studying, then this app is perfect for you. Why? Because this app makes and keeps you stay focused by planting a virtual tree which will grow while you work. If you leave the app, the tree will die. It's such a fun way to keep you stay motivated, and even you can plant a real trees by earning the coins from the app. So it's a win-win for your productivity as well as for the environment. App number 3 is Grammarly. It's quite famous, right?
I have 12 emails, 30 messages, and a proposal due by 10. How am I already underwater?
I'm in the same boat.
I'm in an actual boat.
I thought Grammarly just fixed grammar. They make boats now?
It's more of a metaphorical boat.
If writing papers or emails is a big part of your college life, then this app is must. Grammarly helps you with spelling, grammar, and even styles, right? So it's like having your personal editor in your pocket. Whether you're writing emails, presentations, or even your personal messages, Grammarly makes sure that you always sound professional. Google Keep is one of my favorites for quick note-taking on the go. It's simple, easy to use, and you can even sync across all your devices.
Cooking in your kitchen and realize you need to add items to your Google Keep grocery list, but your hands are dirty?
Whether you're jotting down your lecture notes, or you're saving the ideas for your projects, or you're creating reminders for deadlines, Google Keep keeps everything organized in one line. As like you color code your notes, or else you're planning or setting your reminders so that you can never miss anything important. Last but definitely not least, Khan Academy. If you need help in understanding tough concepts, or you just wanted to brush up a topic before an exam, then this app has it all. From math and science to history and economics, right? There are thousands of video lessons and practice exercises which help you learn at your own pace. And it's absolutely free, which makes an absolutely game changer for college students. There you have it, the list of 5 apps which are definitely makes your college life easier and more productive. Let me know in the comments that whether you have used these apps before, or did I miss any other apps which are useful to keep our college life more productive. If you found this video helpful, so make sure to thumbs up and make sure to share the video. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. This is your Nivas signing off.
I'm sorry, baby, I don't mean to be rude. I'm just a little different from all these dudes. Okay, they riding waves, me, I'm up on a cruise. You feel like me?